my biggest peeve is I hate the sides of the tablet being exposed. I'm heart scared of dropping this and there being a massive ding put into the sides of the tablet simply because I just feel that they're exposed too much for my liking. But you can't have it all, and you know, maybe there'll be a solution out there to maybe fix that. Who knows? What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk, and today I have a little haul here from Pitaka of little accessories that I thought I would share with you. So yeah, let's get into it. As I'm sure you know, I have a Pitaka case on my AirPods Pro. It was my first Pitaka product that I bought, and I had a lot of plastic and silicone type cases for my AirPods Pro, which I found didn't really fit well, and the lid kept coming off, and they just weren't great overall. And I got to the point where after sort of buying my sort of 4th or 5th case, I sort of threw the head up and was like, right, I'm going to have to, you know, invest in something decent. So I bought this, and as I'm sure you can tell, with the armoured fibre, it looks stunning, if I'm being truthfully honest. And yeah, so I think that has sort of made me get the bug, and yeah, I really like this stuff. So I've went and ordered some other accessories which I'm going to share with you today. So we'll start off with the Air case for the Apple Watch. I think I'm a bit late to the party with this, if I'm being truthfully honest, simply because my watch is in pretty bad shape, if I'm honest. It's fairly scraped in around the bezel and things like that there, but well, that'll do to get another one, I suppose. So here we go. Oh, got a product catalogue. It's nice. Thank you. Oh. Get VIP treatment. Lovely. I feel like a VIP. And here we go. That's our Air case for the Apple Watch. So, nothing overly fancy or anything about it. It comes off that little marker and clicks on. There you go. It's pretty nice. I always wanted something to sort of try and protect the bezels of my Apple Watch, and yeah, like I say, I think I'm a bit late to the party, but I'm sure it'll keep for the next watch. So yeah, I'm happy with that. There's a good fit on it as well. I did use some plastic covers before, which I didn't really feel were very great, and the slightest little touch, they would just fly off the watch and I would lose them. And same again, after I had bought 5 or 6 of them, I just got frustrated and thought, right, I'm going to buy something with a better fit, with a better look. So that's what I went for. So yeah, that's the Air case for the Apple Watch. What do you think of that? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, we'll jump on to the next thing. This day and age, we all love wireless chargers. So while I was on Pitaka's website, I ordered this. I love a wireless charger, and with my AirPods and my phone all being wireless charging, I just figured I'd bite the bullet and I would buy a wireless charger. So this is in the Obsidian Black, which is the same finish as my watch and my AirPods. And there you go, that's what you get in the box. So you get your charging pad, you get your USB-C cable, and again we get a little thank you notice here with a wee product catalogue and the same sort of things there that I got in with the watch. Nice touch. I like that. So I'll get rid of that. And yeah, that's really that. It's nice when things match, isn't it? So yeah, it's a good size as well. It's about the same size as my 12 Pro Max, so it'll fit very nicely. But there you go. That's your USB-C connectivity there as well. So yeah, that's that. So, what do you think of that, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you buy things for the look of them or for the functionality? Personally, if I get both, I'm really happy. So yeah, that'll go well on my desk. So it will. I like that. Now, onto this. If you've seen my Magic Keyboard review video, this is something I spoke about in that I felt one of the downsides of the Magic Keyboard was when the iPad was in it, the iPad's bezels were exposed, and I was very much in the market for something, a solution, if you will, to fix that, and I came across this. So this is the Pitaka Mag EZ case for the iPad Pro 12.9, and yeah, I think this might be the solution to the problems, well, not problems, but to what I found to be an issue with the Magic Keyboard. So again, I've went for the exact same colour, the Obsidian Black effect, which is very, very nice. I was tempted to go for the blue because of my phone, but I didn't. I thought I would keep it all the same. So there we go. That's pretty much all you get in the box. And another thank you. You're so kind, Pitaka. And that's it. So as you can see, that's the same finish. You've got your little Pitaka logo here, which is very subtle. And there's your dock connector as well. And that's the inside. So yeah, let's fit this to the iPad. Now, what do you think? As you can see, all the bezels that are exposed on the iPad are now covered, apart from the bottom. But then when it's docked into the keyboard, this bottom part will be on the inside. And then as you can see, you've got your groove here for your Apple Pencil. Yeah, doesn't seem to be any sort of less magnetic there. So let's try it, will we? So because this is magnetic as well, so this is supposed to connect into the Magic Keyboard case with no issues whatsoever. So let's try it and see. There we go. As you can see there, all the side bezels are now covered. Does make it a little bit thicker, just maybe not as streamlined, but to be honest, for me, I think that's a price I'm willing to pay to protect those bezels. And then I think as well, if I were to take it out of the case, I'm not panicking then that it's naked. You know, so I quite like that. I really like that actually. And with the dock connector then, all the features of the pass-through USB-C charging, they'll all still work as normal. So, what do you think? What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you like it? Is it something that would fix if you had a similar issue to the Magic Keyboard and the iPad Pro? Is this maybe a solution for you? I'm definitely gonna give this a go and see just how I get on with it. There's a very slight noticeable difference in the weight with that case now on. I know the iPad and the keyboard itself is heavy at the best of times, but you can notice a wee extra bit of weight there. But it's still lighter than a laptop, I suppose, so I don't really complain too much. And I'll just put my pencil back on there. So that's really it, guys. Just wanted to bring you a little video on those little things that I ordered. Let me know your thoughts down below on have you got any of these products, what's your experiences with them, or if you're considering buying any of these products. If you want to ask me any questions, by all means let me know down below in the comments. I'll give you my honest opinion. I really like them because of the armoured fibre and what they're made of. Yes, these accessories are a little bit more expensive than some of the maybe other items you can get on the market, but to be honest, I really like them. They look really good. They're strong, they're hard wearing, and I mean, if it beats having to buy multiple cases over and over again because current cases that you're buying just aren't good enough, yeah, it's something I'm more than happy to pay for. So yeah, so let me know down below. I'll leave you links to the items from Pitaka to let you know just where I got them, to their website. I'll leave them in the description below if you want to check them out. And yeah, that's really it for me, guys. Hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well if you want to see more content like this, and I will catch us in the next one. Cheers, guys.